उसूल, तुम्हारे आदर्श किस काम के हैं तुम्हारे उसूल? तुम्हारे सारे उसूलों को गूंद कर एक वक्त की रोटी नहीं बनाई जा सकती रवि. So I just went on and on. And nobody in the class understood what I was saying, but they all clapped. I was like, this is it. This is what I've always wanted to do.
So you have actually tasted both the enticement of the entertainment world and the desperation.
Yeah. I actually started from scratch. When I graduated and came back, I had no idea how I was going to go about this.
So how does one go about it?
I used to call it my hustle period. It's just trial and error. You know, you just try anything and everything.
Were you ever exposed to the underbelly of the film industry?
Yes, I was. I'll tell you about this one incident. He was a small-time casting agent. I went to meet him, and he met me in this seedy part of the suburbs. And I went into his room, and he proceeded to proposition me in his sleazy old way. And
like how? What would he say to you?
Okay, so very good, nice pictures. Okay, darling, tell me, are you a smart worker or are you a hard worker? So I'm like, I would like to think I'm a combination of both, smart and hard, you know. So he was like, I don't want to know this or this, you tell me, smart worker or a hard worker? So I was like, okay.
Hard worker or smart worker?
I'm a hard worker. So he's like, darling, be smart, be sexy. जो स्मार्ट है, जो सेक्सी है, वो आगे निकल जाता है. इसको देख लो, उसको देख लो, इसने किया है, उसने किया है. मैं तो कहता हूँ सर आंखों पर, nothing wrong. And then he asked me the most explicit questions in the most explicit way. And I was actually
What do you mean explicit?
Like he was mouthing body parts and and he was just damn dirty, yeah. So, okay. I had this reaction, the look on your face right now
I don't
was the
believe
look
this.
on my face. And I was like, what do I do? Do I storm out of here? Do I punch this guy in the face and storm out of here?
What did he want you to do?
He wanted anything. He was a despo. I'll tell you what he said. कल मैं तुम्हें ये ऑफिस में भेजूंगा. कल मैं तुम्हें वो ऑफिस में भेजूंगा. तुम्हें काम मिल जाएगा. 4-5 दिन बाद शाम को हम कहीं ड्रिंक पी रहे होंगे और फिर तब मैंने तुम्हें प्रोफेशनली ट्रैप किया होगा और इमोशनली ट्रैप किया होगा और उस टाइम पे तुम खुद मुझे बोलोगे टेक टच. This stuff happens, man. This is the harsh reality of stuff.
There must have been a lot of frustrating moments.
Yeah. It was very difficult. Sometimes you were just staring at the bottom of the barrel and not knowing whether it will happen.
That's
or,
right.
You know, I don't know what made me stick out though.
Yeah, what
Maybe
did?
It was just my parents' support.
And look at fate, just at the right time. A film is being launched. It's a Yash Raj film. And they come to you and you are ready at that time for the break.
I think it's my mom's prayers.
You think?
I think so. It could not be anything else.
I can believe that. But tell me, how has the film industry, how have the stars reacted to you?
They're all amazed.
Hannah?
Usually I get the reaction that, where did you come from? And where were you all these years?
But tell me some of the moments that really got to you.
Okay, this was about after the release of Band Baja Barat. I met Manish and he was like, हाँ, call आ गया? खुश है? I was like, what are you talking
Kiska
about?
call?
He's like, अरे phone check करना. So I opened my phone and I see these missed calls. I was like, no.
Kiske?